Hey my friends, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can translate your PDF file to another language. It's absolutely free for everything. So first of all, you can see this is my PDF file. So I want to translate it another language. So first go to a browser, then open a Google Drive. So I hope you are able to do this or perfectly. Just upload this PDF file here, then just open. First of all, just open your file. Once you have done to upload here, just go to here, then open with Google Doc. Just click here, open with Google Doc. Then you are going to Google Docs, then go to tool option, then go to translate document. So here are, if you want to change name, write your own name and another one, then choose your language. So if you want to translate it's another language, Latin, then translate, you can translate any language from here. It's absolutely for free. So I want to translate it to another language, to Bangla, just Bengali, then translate. So after few seconds it will, wow, it's absolutely nice. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. If you have any questions, comment below. See you again, take care, goodbye.